So here's my new bike. Don't blink. Oh man, how about that, huh? That was pretty cool. Now let me show you the bike for real this time. Drum roll, please. And there it is. There's the new bike. A 2019 R1250 GS Adventure. I just had to go with the Adventure, the 8-gallon tank. It is amazing. Found it on Cycle Trader, and the cool folks down at San Jose BMW actually listed it, so I went through them. They did a service, needed a new battery, and I met Corey. Some of you might know Corey out there in the motorcycle world, and he's a heck of a sales guy and rider. I hope to have him on the channel soon. So there's a few little accessories on this that is not factory. Has these bar risers by, I think they're by Fox. These are actually kind of nice because with me coming in at about 5'10", 160 pounds, this really does bring the bars up to where I'm sitting pretty nice. It did not come with a GPS. I tell you, I stare at this every day when I ride and I'm thinking, boy, I need that GPS. But it's a lot of money. Hopefully that'll be in the future. Came with this screensaver. That's pretty cool. Has the BMW Motorrad there. Not sure what I think. I've not used it without the screensaver. I've heard people say it's not as glary, but I've also heard the factory one is not even glary at all. Aftermarket windshield. This is a definitely nice windshield. It's all the way up. Completely removes the air from my head. You know, no buffeting, what have you. The other thing I did add is the guy didn't put on these brackets by the same company. They make these here brackets. So I bought these, put this on, and then this thing just stopped shaking. And Corey actually pointed this out. He's like, hey man, you're gonna wanna get that way, because before, I mean, it was wobbling. Get that way more secure. The Adventure, of course, with the cage and the lights, comes factory. The guy did put one of these windshield, I guess, put a headlight protective. It kind of looks like a windshield, right? A headlight windshield on. It's pretty good. If anything, it helps me clean the bugs, because there's a lot of bugs. Kind of guessing these are factory tires. Really need some tires soon, so not sure I'm going to go with. Some cool guards, also by, I think that says Fox. Got the guards on the Radiator. Don't want to put a hole in that. The guy did have a top box, so that was nice. And then I bought the side cases, and I bought the lock cylinders, and I recorded myself fumbling my way through putting them together. So I've got a video coming out in a little bit where I'll show you how you can just buy the kit yourself and do it. You know, if you don't have these or you're interested, don't think you necessarily have to pay the dealer. I mean, the dealer will do it for you and it'll be done right, but you can definitely do it yourself. That's all I'm saying. It's kind of like Legos, adult Legos. But this is the bike. It goes really fast. I'm trying my hardest not to get a speeding ticket, but I also find that's going to depend who I'm hanging out with and riding with. I almost forgot to show you guys the exhaust. Came with this Dominator, aftermarket, high chrome. Not my first pick. The sound is okay. It kind of can be fun. Traffic can hear me when I'm, you know, lane filtering and riding. Give it a little bit of a rev, let people know I'm there. So that's okay. It didn't come with any heat shielding, so I got some wrap. I think I'm gonna wrap this area. But I would not buy this. If I was gonna spend my money, I don't know what I'd go with right now. Probably just leave it factory, but this is what I got. And I don't know, maybe I can find a factory and put it on, but let's hear it. Let's check it out, let's hear it. So what do you think of my new bike? I'm definitely very excited. It took me 40 years, I'll be 40 this winter, to be able to afford this, to be able to get this, achieve kind of like a dream, a little bit of a dream. My wife recently accused me of living my best life. I think she's right, I really am. But I'm really not trying to pay attention too much or sweat the small stuff in life. There's just so much noise going on right now. Hope you liked the video. Hit subscribe so you can follow other videos if you'd like, but I'll see you on the next one. See ya.